a kind of keto diet. I'm just going to make kind of like an egg scramble. It calls for butter, but I don't have real butter, so I'm just going to use this. And then, yeah, I'm just going to chop these up. I have everything nice and chopped up right here. This is for 2 people. One mixes of 3 eggs for me and my mom. This is me right now. A lot of love handles right here. I'm just here at the store looking for minced dried onion. There we go. For a soup that I'm going to make. Put this in here. Alrighty, so right now I came to Vaughn's and I picked up some stuff that I need for my food that I'm gonna make. So I'll bring it along to the 99-cent store now. Alright, so I just got out of the 99-cent store. I got this really cute bag, which has like some mermaid vibes to it or something. Let me just say that the garlic from there is my favorite because it's already peeled and it's usually really like nice. Like sometimes you'll get the one with the skin on still and it doesn't work. They're all dry, but these are really nice. I'll go more into what I bought. Oops, my music. I'll go more into what I bought as soon as I'm back home. Right now, I'm actually going to go back to Vaughn's because I forgot to get cheese. I guess you can have cheese on this diet. And what else? Cheese and I think whipping cream. Which I could have gotten here at the 99-cent store, but I totally blanked about it. Because I guess coffee plus whipping cream equals a snack of like, and it's like 2 grams of carbs or something like that, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I went grocery shopping, and this is what I got. Avocados. And this is for the soup. Okay, so I am starting my soup, and just the amount of butter that I just had to put in here is freaking me out. It's a whole stick of butter, 4 ounces. Now I'm just waiting for it to go to melt to add in the rest of this. Oops, I think it's burning. Actually, I think I just burnt the butter. I guess the garlic's fine. I mean, the butter's fine. So now I'm going to add the garlic. 1 second. And then 2 tablespoons of the onion. Along with the celery. Just like 2 stalks of celery and a little bit more than 6 ounces of cremini mushrooms. And now I'm just going to let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, now I'm going to add the broth. I got wow, I should have gotten that. Oops. Reduced sodium. There you go. Chicken broth. And here is 7. And here goes 8. I'm also going to add in the carrots. The carrot. It's just 1. 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. And some pepper as well, and salt to taste. Together. I'm just going to bring it to a soft boil, and then while that happens, I'm going to go and cut the cabbage. Mmm, yummy! It looks so good. It's simmering. Just waiting for the carrots to get soft. And then we're good to go. Is it good stuff? Well, while that is getting ready, I'm going to show you guys what I got. I got this really cute, like duffel bag from Ross. Let's see. There it is. Pink and black. It's a good size for my shoes and my clothes, so that I can go to the gym after work. Because my gym's a little far, so that's why I kind of put it off. And it was only $11.99. Oh yeah. There it is. And I also got these bins, these storage bins. So I can put some of my winter clothes away in them, and I hope that they're a good size. Once I put them together, I'll go ahead and show them to you, but it's 2 of them, and they were only $7.99. So I think that's a pretty good deal, depending on how sturdy they are, right? So yeah, I actually held back. There was a lot of cute stuff, but hey, I've got to hold myself back, you know? Alright, so this is what they look like, and then you just pull them open like this. And put the little bottom into it. And that's it. I think it's pretty good for $7.99 for 2 of them. And that's what they look like. They're a pretty good size. They're 12 by 12 by 12, so they're cubes basically. Technically. But yeah, I'm gonna put some clothes in there. Maybe I'll film that too. Alright, we've gotten to the point where everything is pretty soft, so now I'm going to add in the cabbage, which is like the noodles of our chicken noodle soup, and the chicken. And, oh, there is all the chicken. It's just 1 chicken. I'm supposed to do 1.5, but. And so here's the soup. So good. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh man. This is 8 servings right here as well. 8 beautiful, yummy servings. Just the smell of it is like unbelievable. Wow, that is really good actually. Super good. Just the smell, everything's just perfect. Like, look at that. The mushrooms, my favorite part. But yeah, I can't wait to dig into this for dinner, and then dinner tomorrow and the day after that, and hopefully my family likes it.
Yeah, sure.